Let's walk through how to build a prompt from scratch using Dreamtune. First, open the interface by clicking the Dreamtune icon. We begin in the Composition tab. From the second drop-down menu, we'll select our shot type, aerial shot. Next, to set the artistic style, we'll go to the Reference tab. In the drop-down, we'll choose the iconic look of Ansel Adams' landscape. To set the mood, we'll move to the Technical tab. We'll go to the drop-down for Lighting Setup and select Cinematic Lighting. Finally, let's create the setting in the Environments tab. In the drop-down, we'll set the weather to cloudy, and in the second, we'll set the location to beach. Now that all our components are selected, we simply click the Dream button. Dreamtune instantly translates these selections into a complete professional prompt. Now, we send it to Midjourney. And here are the results. A perfect grid of images matching every one of our selections. A cloudy aerial beach scene with cinematic lighting, all in the stunning style of Ansel Adams. That's how Dreamtune turns a few seconds of selection into a perfectly engineered prompt.